Hi, boys and girls. Hi, 3C. It's so good to see you again. This is for Friday, February 7th. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm praying for you guys. So a couple of things. We do have a Bible lesson, and Mr. Loan has created a little mini lesson video that you can access right here. And there is a seesaw activity available that looks like this. It's just what parables do you know, and Mr. Lung will kind of explain that activity to you. After you finish that, we do have a fun math practice. We are practicing using a ruler to measure to the nearest 1/4 inch, centimeter, and millimeter. So this is another seesaw activity that you can access called Measurement Scavenger Hunt. You do need a ruler to complete this activity around your house. It's quite fun. You can take pictures and then you'll post it on the seesaw activity. I would like you guys to stay active, doing a brain bag activity and then following Mr. Mauer's rainy day exercises. You guys can learn maybe 3 new ones, do 30 seconds of each, maybe 2 or 3 times throughout the day just to get your brains moving and your bodies moving. This will be your last reading response. This time I kind of want you to do something different. You're going to add on to the reading response board 2 that you've already done. And so you can go ahead and highlight over the choice board. Remember to choose a choice activity that you have not done already. And then make sure you guys are also reading a nonfiction book. Awesome. For the weekend, I'll also be posting just kind of any catch-up work, assignments, and then a checklist, and also some parent surveys. So check back again Friday night or Saturday over the weekend. And if you need more time to catch up, don't worry. I'm periodically checking in on you guys. So I hope you guys have a great Friday. Miss you guys. Praying for you. Okay, bye.